Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a little hand drill. All you need is a piece of coat hanger, preferably a thicker one, and a pair of wire cutters. Just go ahead and cut off a little end piece. It might be a little hard, but use that to cut it, and that'll start to sharpen it. And then use a hammer and just hit it down one time towards where it's angled. 1 second. Alright, and then just bend a little handle to do that. Just bend one side one way and then bend over like that. And then you can take a piece of wood and it'll drill pretty quickly. 1 second. It's fairly easy. Once you get it going, it'll go pretty quickly. You could probably get through a block of wood pretty quickly. And this is if you don't have a normal drill. You could do this for if you're only needing it one time, but yeah, that's already at least halfway through the wood. And you can use this to make holes and stuff. I'm gonna try and get all the way through before this gets too long, this video. You could also, when you go camping, you could bring one of these along, because I'm sure it would help. See how far along I am? Yeah, I'm pretty much there. One second. Okay, it's going through. Okay, and it's through. Alright. That's how to make a hand drill out of a coat hanger. Bye.